My name is Himanshu Dikshit. I am a fourth year law student at the National Law Institute, University Bhopal. I have been privileged to be a part of Crime Free Bharat project since last 11 months. In this project, we were given the task of drafting a legislative bill, which we did. And in this bill, we have incorporated all 5 certainties that the Crime Free Bharat initiative has encompassed of. In the 23 pages of draft, we have empowered not only the citizens to act as a cop, but also has given a due diligence over the responsibilities and duties which our constitution has entrusted upon the authorities like police, state administration, prosecution, as well as judiciary. In this bill, I have made ensure that all these functionaries of the state discharge their responsibilities in the actual manner. The Crime Free Bharat initiative led by Mr. Maithili Sharan Gupta is one of its own kind in the entire legal system of the world. I am appealing all of my friends, students, citizens, specifically youth citizens, to raise their voice and join their hands together in enacting this particular bill into a draft act. I thankfully pay my regard to the entire core committee of Crime Free Bharat for giving me this wonderful opportunity of giving my contribution through my services. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.